Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to get master even grandmaster sprinkler in grow a garden using new pet called Pancake Mole. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I recommend you to get the gourmet egg. You can cook something for crispy and then you will have chance to get the gourmet egg. And I have already gotten my egg and I got a new pet called Pancake Mole. Let me show you. Okay, this is how the pancake mold looks like. And then I'm going to click on view. And this is the ability of pancake mold. As you can see, every 77 seconds, it can dig down underground to find treasure, can dig up gear or shackles. Okay, and then I have already gotten master sprinkler using this pancake mold. Wait, let me show you. So guys, I got this master sprinkler, 3 master sprinkler from the pancake mole. So I recommend you to cook something and then get the gourmet egg. And I hope that you will get one of the best pets in grow a garden, pancake mole, because I really love this pet. Because it can give us master sprinkler or even grandmaster sprinkler, or it can give us shackles. Okay, and wait. Okay, my pancake mole has just digged shackles, and it will give you chance to get master or grandmaster sprinkler faster. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.